Good morning. We're going to take a look at 1604 at the Pacific Monarch. Very popular vacation rental, legal vacation rental in Waikiki. And this is our new hallway look. Carpets and walls. And we're coming in. The kitchenette on the side here. Convection microwave and a 2-top electric burner. Straight through, and this is a studio. So you've got to your left a sofa sleeper, the closet with mirrored doors, and you've got a whole wall of glass right here that opens up. So there's the little area there that's your nook, we'll call it, and you've got a king-size bed right here. Now these can be moved into 2 twins if there is, say, a family with some teenagers that are into single beds. That's available here, which is nice. And then along here we've got the media center, and we've got the big screen, and we've got Wi-Fi, cable vision included, and a little bit of a coffee area right here. And this is also nice because you got the apartment size fridge and freezer. And again, there is your sofa sleeper at that end of the room. Coming through here, we're going to take a look at the bathroom. And it is very small. Welcome to Hawaii. We've got a step-in shower. And we've got the toilet. And we've got the vanity area. Nice and clean. So you've got just a little space to deal with here, but this is Waikiki at its finest. Close to everything, 700 feet away from the ocean. And here is the exit, looking back. Aloha. So finishing off this little short video here is the view, the ocean view between the 2 towers of the Hyatt Regency Waikiki. We've got a drying rack on one end of the lanai. We'll call this a princess balcony. So we've got a little area here about 2 tiles wide, little spot for sitting. Got some beach chairs, some cleaning, mopping, Manoa in the background, the mountains, the bamboo next door, and we've got the new food pantry building that is now a condominium complex. Open, a short walk away, and we still have, of course, this, which we don't know what's going on here with Hilton Hawaiian Vacation property. That will show itself shortly. And there is the ocean. Aloha.
One of Deborah's rentals. But the way we get around here in Waikiki is with our Strolee. This thing is awesome. So we needed a few tools for our little repair job. We've done that. This thing folds up, pulls down, put towels, whatever in the middle. It's a great setup. So we use this as we were milling around Waikiki to carry all of our stuff. So catch up with you later. Got to get home and get cleaned up. The Strolee